The distance expression is in the math category and results in a decimal data type. The purpose of this expression is to find the distance between two lat-long values. The syntax for this expression is the word distance followed by two parameters, the first of which is the start, which needs to be a lat-long value. The second represents the end and also needs to be a lat-long value. To be clear, that is latitude and longitude. The result of this expression is the distance between these 2 points, but it's important to recognize that this distance is in kilometers and is a straight line. It's not driving distance. Let's look at an example. Here I have the distance expression and I have 2 lat-long points inside. This is another expression that converts these into a specific lat-long value that distance is looking for. This is the latitude and longitude of the White House and of the Grand Canyon, and it's going to calculate in kilometers the distance between them in a straight line. I hope that this video was helpful. If you would like to learn more about AppSheet, please check out appsheettraining.com.